So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a favicon in Shopify store. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So to do that, all you have to do is go to your sales channel in your online store. From your online store, you will have to locate your favicon. So you'll have to customize your current theme right here. So let's customize it. It will redirect you to your home page. So to find it, all you have to do is go to your theme settings right here, or we can do command up 2. So there you go. So you're gonna have to locate your favicon right here, but it's actually just located simply right below logo. So here in your favicon image, you can select image or explore free images, of course. So let's just do local images. So let's do this one and select it right here. So there you go. Now you have a favicon image ready for you. So this will be scaled down to 32 by 32, and there you go. It's just that simple. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.